We have entered an entirely new era, puppy mom. This is Benjamin, Benny, little baby Benny. He is so cute. He's 11 weeks old, but last week was so scary because he was showing some sick signs. We took him to the vet, which was really sad. But now he's on the mend, he's on antibiotics. Blood levels are all looking more normal. We're so grateful. So yeah, this is definitely adding some dimension into my life, especially because he's a puppy. But I feel like he's exactly what we needed and we're just so excited. I literally feel like he's the perfect dog for us. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a little wellness habit recommendation to avoid the winter blues. I did a poll on my Instagram story. It was neck and neck. So that's what we're gonna do throughout the day. I'm just gonna share like little tidbits that I do and I'm starting to do to avoid being just like affected by the gray of winter. Obviously, it's like the most beautiful time right now in fall with the sun and the leaves changing and still kind of on the trees. It's just kind of good vibes. But I like to start early so I don't get caught red-handed with the seasonal depresso, you know what I mean? I'm just getting ready right now to go to Pilates. I just did my morning routine. We are trying to crate train Mr. Benny, but it's very hard because obviously he was just at the vet for 5 days. And Spencer thinks he's gonna get me in the bed and I don't know. I might be able to be convinced, but I'm also like, for the long term, I don't know. I don't know. It's so hard saying no to a puppy too. I feel like the biggest thing to help with that seasonal slump is honestly having a really solid routine, which you guys know I'm such a fan of routines. And they don't have to be like super big for them to be effective. I just think it's some sort of ritual that signals to your body it's time to wake up and get organized for the day, and then nighttime routine signaling to wind down to get a good sleep. I just find those little habits can really trickle over and have such a positive effect. So if you can establish your routines now, I really think that's a huge thing that will help carry you through the colder months. I'm just in the car. I told Spencer that we have to leave at 8:45 and that man is always late. Like, I need to get smarter and tell him we have to leave 10 minutes early than we do. But we got the puppy. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Look at this guy. You are so handsome. Milton. Do you want to grab your son? We got to Pilates just in time. I'm 9 minutes early. Perfect. Getting my workout done first thing in the morning is essential I feel like especially going into the colder months, when you get your workout done first thing in the morning, it's already done. And then you get to float like a butterfly and sting like the bee for the rest of the day. So that's what I would say. Prioritize your workout first thing in the morning along with your morning routine. Those go together like peanut butter and jelly. But I really should get in there now. So let's go inside. Okay, that was easily the hardest class I've ever done at Strong. Like I need some water. We're gonna grab a coffee and then head home. I'm gonna take my meeting and then we're gonna go and run some errands. I also have some returns that I could do at the mall while we're in that neck of the woods, which of course I'll bring you guys along. But yeah, that class was so hard. And yesterday I did a glute hamstring focus day and today was loaded lower. I actually felt like my hamstring was going to rip in half, but it didn't, so that's good. What did you get up to, Sven?
I went home and got Benny a bed.
Well.
And grabbed a coffee and came back.
And then I have my fur son right here. Sweet as can be. Cameron! Yay, Benny! Let's go potty! Come on, sweet cheeks. Mwah. I feel like I actually have a lot of work to do and I haven't done a lot today, so we kind of gotta grind right now. But yesterday was Monday. It was Thanksgiving Monday or whatever in Canada. So I kind of took the day to just organize the house. And let me show you, my closet is looking way more organized. And then the most satisfying part of all is my makeup drawer. Are you kidding me? It's pristine. I just had some packages delivered, so I thought we would open them up together. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So I'm doing another partnership with Curology, but I'm so excited because I've used them now for the last year and now is a perfect time to use them again because my skin is having a freak out since finishing the marathon. I think because of the cortisol upset. So that is package number 1. Okay, now this one is quite literally the size of my entire upper body. This is Moroccan oil. Sven. What the? Is this the, look at this. Is this the size of my noggin?
It's huge. What's in it?
Okay. Dun, dun, dun. This is the best thing I've probably ever received. Are you kidding me? We have shampoo and leave-in conditioner, hair oil, luminous hairspray, shower gel, body night serum, and body lotion. Oh my gosh, this body night serum, this is perfect for our winter wellness hacks, which I'll show you later, but one of my best tips for winter when keeping your skin hydrated is adding an oil to your body lotion just to help your skin hold that moisture. So this is perfect because we can feature this. Moroccan oil is so nostalgic for me because when I was younger, my mom always had Moroccan oil. And I remember with the hair oil, she'd always have to say just use a tiny bit because you don't need much and it's expensive and whatever. So this is just so cool. I love this. Hello you guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is a couple nights later. I just got a little distracted, okay? I also feel like I've been exhausted lately. So that's been playing a part. But anyways, we have a couple nights sleep under our belt. Now we're going to continue this wellness winter habits video to avoid the winter blues. First of all though, I got a little knock at the door and you know who it was? It was Fable. Fable gifted me an entire dinnerware set and I am at a loss for words. Spencer literally can't relate. He doesn't even know who Fable is or what's going on, which don't worry, I will fill him in. I am freaking out. Are you kidding? Look. The speckle. These are the salad plates, the dinner plates. These amazing, I love this. I love this kind of bowl. Are you kidding me? And then the little salad bowls. I'm tickled pink to say the least. You're either a sparkling water person or you're not. I am. Carbonated beverages, I love. I also always drink with my pinky up. Who do I think I am? The Queen of freaking England? Apparently. I guess that is a very easy tip to avoid the winter blues is stay hydrated because hydration always is in your best interest. But my next tip, which is way more seasonal, way more niche down to the winter seasons, Take the time to cook the hearty meals that are nutrient dense, that are immune boosting, anti-inflammatory, all of the good goods. Usually I will make my own soup, but just right now my sister made this turkey noodle soup and it is just so good. There is nothing I love more than a soup in the cold seasons. So I'm gonna heat up a little bit of this soup. Also the collagen in here, good for the gut health. Like it's just jam-packed with all of the good goods, you know what I mean? It's crazy, like it's only been cold for like the last couple days. It was actually snowing at my parents' house, which I should show you. They live like 30 minutes away from me, I would say. In our little fam jam group chat, my mom was sending pictures of snow. Oh my gosh, it's worse than I thought. And I can already feel my lips getting chapped. I can already feel my body getting dry, which I'll give you my skin hydration tips after our wind down shower. Yeah, it's just wild how fast it is hitting me. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Of course, I added some fresh, cracked, ground, what is it called? Pepper. I have been battling this furious, stubbornly cold. I got it like a couple days after the marathon. It's just still like here. And I feel like I'm at the end of it. Spencer just got it, which I feel bad for him. That's why I'm sniffling. I hate sniffling. It's like one of my biggest pet peeves. So I'm sorry, but I'm mindful, okay? I'm just watching the new Love is Blind season now. I'm only on episode 5. Sparkle Megan is about to meet the single dad. I forget his name. Honestly, I love this show. Say hi to the family. Hello, YouTube family. We love you. Hi. We brought him today for all of our errands and he was so good. Also, if you are a single man and you want a woman, you need a puppy because I've never gotten so much attention from women in my life. But I'm just saying, chick magnet. Okay, they're about to meet. I love having a warm shower before bed. It's like the warm water just like soothes my soul. I did wash my hair this morning, which that is like, I don't even know. Like that's a big job, washing hair. Hair skill, hair talent was one of my 2025 New Year's resolutions. I made a half-assed attempt. 2026 hates to see my locks coming, I swear. I'm all clean and out of the shower and I just finished moisturizing, which no one needs to see, but I will share one of my favorite winter beauty hacks. Okay, first of all, dry skin for me is one of my biggest pet peeves ever. Not only the look of like the scaly dry skin, but the feel. Like I cannot sleep. If I have dry skin, I moisturize 2 times a day, my full body head to toe. That's just how I feel my best. I love a unscented body lotion, something trusty like Nivea. The winter hack is to add a body oil to your lotion because then it moisturizes more intensely, I feel like, and leaves your skin feeling silky soft. I love the L'Occitane Supple Skin Oil. At night, it's like my favorite time to just be slow and intentional and moisturize my skin, especially when it's dry and crusty from the cold winter air. Speaking of dry, crusty skin, not only is it annoying on the body, but also the face. Believe me, I know. My current favorites for deep moisture is, I love this First Aid Beauty Barrier Balm. It's thick, but it doesn't take like 17 years to blend. That is the worst when I just feel like I'm sitting there and I'm just like, okay, it's still white, it's still white. But it hasn't made me break out, which is so important. I just ordered a new one of these, but this is tallow, beef tallow. I love this on the skin. It also really helps give you that glowy, dewy looking skin. So I'll also use this. And then for an overnight mask, I know this was the rage on TikTok. Maybe it still is. I don't know, I'm not like the trends, but this is the Medicube Collagen Mask. It's a leave-on overnight mask. This will give you like glass looking skin. And I feel like it just really helps keep the moisture on your skin while you're sleeping. So then you'll wake up looking bright, fresh, hydrated. That's what we want in the winter time. My head's kind of spinning because I am also filming a campaign with Curology right now. So I have 2 cameras going. My phone's also dead. Filming a campaign when your phone is dead, it's not light work. yeah, tripod, phone. We got a little light over here. We mean business. I will say I do love Curology as well for helping my acne prone skin, but with acne fighting products that can lead to dryness. So in the winter, that's why a deep moisturizer is so important. But I will say I'm using a tretinoin prescribed mix and it is doing wonders for my breakouts, bandaging them, because after the marathon, my skin, it was like I was a 16-year-old girl again. It was breaking out like left, right, and center. Now it's back to me and you. It is so dark down here. But I'm gonna show you my next favorite, I'm gonna call this a winter necessity. The red light. This is from Amazon. It was literally $100 in that ballpark. It has been absolutely amazing for my skin, acne scarring, breakouts, any sort of skin wounds. It helps produce collagen in your skin, so keeping your skin looking youthful and glowy and dewy and hydrated, which is very important in the winter. But all you do is put on these little glasses because safety never takes a holiday. And maximum time is 30 minutes, and you can also adjust the intensity of the light. I like to do 10 minutes front, 10 minutes back, because I am prone to body acne, which is just so annoying. Like, when do you grow out of that? Please let me know. And I use this time to just meditate. So if you need me, I'll be here. We're almost done. I'll see you guys upstairs. I just crawled into bed. I'm so happy to be in bed. But I got new PJs, so I'm wearing those and they're so comfy. But before I wrap up this vlog, the last little surviving winter tip is to get a humidifier for your room, just to add moisture to the air, so while you're sleeping, your skin doesn't dry out as much, your nose, you're getting that, you know, moisture that you would get in other seasons. We have one in our room, and you actually notice such difference in your skin and just in your overall hydration, because winter just dries you out like a little raisin, you know? But that's it, that's all. I'm gonna go to bed. I will watch a little bit of Gilmore Girls first. And then, yeah, but that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Comment down below which tip you liked the most, which one blew your mind the most. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe, because it really helps my channel. And I'll see you guys next time.